Hey, how's it going? It's Scott from Insane Asylum. I got to show you a new part that we just came out with. This is really going to help all you guys doing factory bags, doing quick installs. So we came out with a 3-inch, 90-degree aero port. So the benefits to this, when you're doing porting, it's all about efficiency. How well you can make that airflow move with the speaker, move in and out of the bag. The aero port and the flange will really increase the efficiency of the ports. Therefore, it's going to be louder, it's going to play lower. As far as installs go, real simple. So this is a bag that we have laying around that it's been cut up. It's not the exact size that you need to cut out. 5-inch hole saw. You can see there's a flange all the way around where that will sit on the edge of the bag. I've drilled the mounting holes on this one. So this basically drops right in. You can set this angle wherever you want it to clear your 10 to give more room for the port extension. Drill your holes, that's mounted, you're done. You add 3-inch port. This is just Home Depot Schedule 40. We're gonna send it with 6 inches of extra length so you can lower or raise your tuning. So once that's in, 4 screws, you're done, you're tuning. Nothing will touch this. You can't go buy parts at Home Depot. You can't go to Parts Express and buy these. These are a 1/4-inch wall thickness, but we'll cut down on any port resonance at all, which will give you a way better sound on those lower frequencies. We're adding these to the website today. They're going to be available. We've got a limited run, and then they'll be in full production. So check those out. Thanks.